So clearly erroneous?
Yes.
To agree with you, we have to find, because you didn't talk a lot about the clearly erroneous standard in your brief, so I wondered whether you were saying that the district court's factual findings were clearly erroneous, or that the district court made an error of law because it didn't offset burdens with benefits.
No, we are arguing that these factual findings are clearly erroneous, and I recognize that the court infrequently delves into facts like these, but I guess what I would say is that if any facts are clearly erroneous, it's these facts, and it's not hard to see on the record why. The district court committed really two independent errors here. The first thing is that it looked at the wrong time frame. It focused on fiscal year 2021 to suggest that the states had incurred costs, but that was a time period before these guidelines even took effect, and so it was improper to draw those kinds of causal errors based on that data. But even putting that to the side and looking at the data, it doesn't support the district court's analysis. The court said DHS is not detaining the same number of criminal non-citizens, but the very chart that the district court included at JA 314 shows that over the time in question, the number of criminal non-citizens in custody remained essentially unchanged. And then with respect to removals, the district court said DHS has done far less enforcement action with removals and focused on a comparison between fiscal year 2019, about 250,000 removals, and fiscal year 2021, where there were about 55,000. But the district court ignored entirely that that was during the pandemic, and the CDC's public health order under Title 42 was in effect, and DHS excluded more than 1 million non-citizens under the Title 42 order. So the bottom line conclusion here that there was less immigration enforcement overall, I think, was clear error.